We will restore this old printer to its original color. So this is the original color. So we will disassemble this machine. We will try to use the natural color spa developer volume 40 with hydrogen peroxide ingredients. I got this from Shopee. So we will try if it will restore the original color. Okay. After hours under the sun, only few changes only. Little. We will wash and see what this one. Little changes. There's a changes, huh? Yung color, huh? Okay. Huh?
What's the difference? Huh? It's amazing, huh? Huh?
Ah, it's okay now. This is the unclean EDF. And this is the difference. The cover, the clean cover. Okay, we will see after the assembling. After cleaning and reassembling, EDF is not included. I just got from other machine. I clean only the cover, but check from the side. You see? Clean.